We are going to be making the infamous birria tacos, and these are the peppers that I'm using. Don't ask me to pronounce them because I don't know how. So we're going to be using 10 of these. Then we're going to take 3 of these. Now I'm going to be using 4 of these because I love spice. But if you don't like spice, then either omit these or use less. Then you're going to take your de-seeded peppers and add them to about 8 cups of broth. Adding half an onion, 3 bay leaves, 6 garlic cloves. I'm going to add in 4 of these not beef bouillon. Adding a little black pepper and bring to a boil. Our jackfruit and just drain as much of the water out as possible. Get your jackfruit added in, season it up. We're going to just take it and smash it up. This is what you should be looking like. Add it to a blender. Add in a 4th cup of vinegar. I'll add some thyme, some cumin, some oregano. Then you just combine it with your jackfruit and let it simmer. Dip your shit. Add your cheese, jackfruit, onion, and cilantro. Y'all already know if you ain't dipping, you tripping. Baby. Baby. Oh my God. That's it. You hear me? You don't hear me. Besides men, name something women fall in love with at first sight. A puppy. Name a food. Baby. This is the one. Not the 2. The one. You hear me? Praise him. Baby. Okay. Let's get into it. Oh, can you see them? Yes, you can. Oh, yeah. Birria, birria, birria. You remind me of a East Side Story. Yes, child. I have made the famous, infamous birria. Oh, get into the melted cheese, honey. Vegan birria tacos. Because my name is Anaya Miriam May. So, baby, I'm part Mexican anyway. Okay. With that little cilantro on my lip. When I tell you these are the one, not the 2, when I put them on the menu, you better place that order because these are not to be played with. They are not to be missed. Alexa, play Young Jock. I know you see it. I know you see it. Okay, these are it. Like, let's go places. Know what's happening in Chicago. The Fox 32 News app. Follow breaking news whenever it happens. Search Fox 32 You know it's good when it make you slob a little bit. That extra, your mouth just salivating and whatnot. Baby, these are so good. As if y'all didn't already know. These are thebomb.com. Like, I mean, it was really hard to squeeze all the instructions into that little clip. So let me know if y'all want a full video, because I'm making them again. And I can exclusively make that content for YouTube the next time I make them, because it's important to get this right. Because this is it. I mean, I'm not sure if I want a vegan taco any other way now. I don't really think that I do. I now know what all the hype has been about. You see it? Well, shit is fine. Like, y'all know where I'm from. I'm from the crib. where the shit is fire. You hear me? Not fire, fire. F-Y-E, fire. Fire. Like, I watched a few videos, and if they told you to use any other cheese than that Violife Colby Jack, no sir, no ma'am, they didn't do you no justice. You got to use the Violife Colby Jack. Shout out to Violife. This is not sponsored, but it need to be. Violife. Hello. Chef Nye, how are you? Okay. So look, I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I'm wishing good eating on all of them. I'm trying to make sure that the food is in the shop. I'm trying. I just feel like nothing should get wasted. These are good, y'all. Like, all seriousness, I was gonna share, but I don't think they gonna make it. Okay? That's the way my appetite's set up right now. Like, I was hungry anyway. I don't even know how many did I just bang? 2? Was it 6 on here? I think it was 6 on here. We're down, and then there was 3. Okay. Pardon me, I don't even have nothing to drink. This was an impromptu mukbang. It just so happens that my granny cleared off our table, and it's like the perfect mukbang height. Like, y'all can see like, everything is just working right now. So I just went with the flow, and I'm like, well, you know what? YouTube, we're gonna do a review, because this is my first time having them. I did make these, but that time don't really even count, so we need not even go there. This is really my first time making them for real, and enjoying them. And I'm just salty that it took me so long to get back. Like, look, y'all, like, it's just perfect. Come back here. Come back here. When you eat your tacos, do you turn your head to the left or the right? To the left. I got the. I guess it would depend on what hand you eat with, though, right? But have you ever thought about that? Let me know below. What side y'all turn y'all head to? Okay. Baby, I can't wait to put these on the menu. I can't wait. The people gonna buy them up. Like, I'm excited to give these to y'all. I don't think I've been this excited to put something new on our menu in a long time. Not a long time, but you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm geeked, because they gonna, baby, when I tell you they gonna order them up, baby, these gonna sell like hot cakes, because they hot cakes, you hear me? Like, they so good, y'all. I can get any non-vegan to tear these up, no lie. No lie, because I did that. Okay. Overdid. Overstood the assignment. I guess I'm slowing down now. Maybe I'll go ask Bunny if she wants one. Now, I told y'all I use them for peppers, so they got a little kick to them. If you make these, tag me and let me know how you enjoyed them. And if you don't like spice, I heard it's the chili de arbol. However you say that. How y'all say that? I heard it's those that make them very, very spicy. So you might want to leave those out. If you can't do the spice now, we'll find you another pepper. They got a lot of peppers. We'll find you a milder one. Or just add more of the other 2 and leave those out. But baby, it's like not overwhelming hot though. It's just like, you do like the heat for sure. But you say I ain't got nothing to drink. So It's not overwhelming at all. It's hitting is what it is. It's hitting. You hear me? Hitting. Okay. I'm so excited. And then let me tell y'all, since we mukbanging, my video, the devil, it got messed up. It did get messed up, and I almost called it quit. I'm like, you know what? This is my second time attempting birria tacos, and the first time it was a situation. I don't even want to go into it, but I didn't get the footage. Okay, let's just say that. And this time the footage did messed up again. I'm like, Lord, am I not supposed to be recording birria tacos? What's happening? Like, is it a scientist? And then I heard a still voice. Keep going. So I'm like, okay. I had saved an edit before because I be trying to be good about saving them because technology don't be messing with me all the time. So I had a little edit that I had saved before I made my error that was like work wittable, clearly, because we're here. So I was able to chop and screw, edit up real quick, and piece it into where the video that was left off. And God is good. He's faithful, because here we are. Not only did I get the content, not only did y'all get the tutorial, but here we are, mukbang, getting back to YouTube. Oh, my goodness. This will put anybody in a good mood. Like, y'all know good food do it every time. This is it. I need to go see if my granny woke, because I just need somebody to co-sign. Like, this is fine. Yeah. I know she's gonna say something ignorant, like, all they need is some chicken. Ma'am. Okay? That's how my granny be, y'all. I'm gonna have to get her on video. Got some really great things coming up, though. Got a Cancun trip coming up next week. Right, so this is all in the spirit. Okay, look at me. Tapping into my Mexicano roots. Yeah. So, baby, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm gonna have to make these in Mexico. I'm gonna have to figure it out, because they ain't gonna have me down there hungry. Y'all already know I got a plan to take me something. Cause who not gonna eat good? Baby. But I'm not even gonna hold y'all. If you ain't dipping, you tripping. And if you ain't subscribed to my YouTube channel by now, then what are you doing? Hit that red subscribe button. Turn your notifications on, because I'm about to get consistent over here in this area. We popping off. The name of the game is growth this year. And I need to see the growth on all my platforms, because I got so much heat to bring y'all. It's your girl, Chef Nat, and I am back. I'm here to stay. I say that every video, but I mean it this time. I ain't never went nowhere, for real. If you follow me on other channels, make sure y'all go do that too. Go follow me on IG at Green Bites by 9. Go follow me on TikTok at Green Bites by 9. Twitter, AM_ but never early. All that information below. But make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to this. Oh, pardon me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me know what y'all want to see me make next. What type of vegan dish should I cook up next? I don't even know why I just laughed right there. I don't know why that just tickled me, but it did. And here we are. Anyways, I love y'all for watching. If you made it this far in the video, thank you. Until the next video, it's your girl, Chef Nah. Love you for watching.
At the table, let's talk about it. The way they feeding us is really problematic. They don't want you to know what's really happening. Where I'm from, we call it capping. Obesity, that's no mistake. Take a look at what's on your plate. Better fall in line with the death rate. Poor health, US take the cake. HTGV, how to go vegan.